Hey guys, so I just wanted to share my family's experience with Winter Storm, our first time seeing that much snowfall in Houston, and also our very first time experiencing no power for more than 24 hours. I hope y'all enjoy the video.
The next day.
Hi guys, so there's no power today. So what we're doing is we're playing Unggoy Unggoy. You just set
Pitik, 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 pitik.
Pitik,
Pitik sa tenga. Sa tenga.
Yeah, no, sa hand.
Dahil may ganyang katanggalin mo yan. No! No! Tanggal mo.
What? So sad. That's so weak.
Ako naman.
Okay.
Alright.
Tanggalin mo yung guantes.
Bro, I can't even flick that hard.
Okay.
Stop.
Oh, you did.
What? How's that fair? There.
Alright, okay.
Tayo ang lagot dyan pagka siya nanalo. Kaya lagi siya matalo. Kasi sakit.
Go for real! Oh my gosh. So, since I was bored, I drew this, and I need to like color it, but I can't find any colors. And so, since there's no electricity, and it's cold inside the house, my grandparents are literally covered up in blanket. Look, they're cold. They're sleeping. My mom is sleeping too. See how cold it is? My hands are cold too. Hi guys. So I'm at my friend's house.
Hi guys, I'm the friend with
And-
the house.
And we went here so that we can use their stove to cook. What'd you say?
I'm handsome.
No, what did you say about the coffee?
The coffee? It's boiling.
Well, duh.
Hey guys. So we are playing.
Snapchat.
It is currently 10:50 p.m. I have just finished writing myself a letter. And the cats are in my room. They're gonna sleep with me tonight because it's cold and they're here to keep me warm. So I will be going to sleep now. Good night, everybody. So our power actually went back on February 17 around 12 p.m. Yeah.